Microsoft is shipping faster than ever, and it's honestly tough to keep up with everything as part of your day-to-day job. This is why conferences like ESPC25 in Dublin are so valuable, and if you're attending, I'd like to invite you to my full-day tutorial, Mastering SharePoint Premium from Content AI to Advanced Administration. Now, SharePoint Premium has had a few name changes over the years, from SharePoint Syntax to Microsoft Syntax, and now SharePoint Premium or document processing in Microsoft 365. But one thing that has stayed consistent is that the AI features keep getting better. In this tutorial, we'll start with AI-powered document processing. We'll learn how to build models to extract information, how to use Autofill Columns, and applying AI-driven managed metadata. We'll also cover content services like content assembly for modern templates, PDF tools such as annotations, merge and extract, and even built-in translation. From there, we'll move into newer services like eSignature and then dive deep into how to get and keep your tenant Copilot ready with SharePoint Advanced Management. We'll look at how to audit for overshared content, restrict Copilot access to sensitive data with Restricted Content Discoverability, and manage the lifecycle of both SharePoint sites and Microsoft 365 groups. By the end of the day, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to put SharePoint Premium to work, whether that's saving time through automation, tightening compliance, or delivering a better employee experience. If this sounds like something your organization could benefit from, make sure to sign up for my tutorial at ESPC25, and when you register, don't forget to use my discount code VLADSPECIAL to save 15% off your conference pass. I look forward to seeing you there.